Good day everyone, mga kapongers, mga kaola. Today is the day 20 of our daily message. Today I want to talk about very important, that is consistency beats talent. Many players are very talented. There is no doubt of it. Mabilis matuto, maganda ang galaw, malakas ang laro. But here is the truth. Talent alone is not enough. Because if you are talented but inconsistent, you will struggle to improve. But even if you are not the most talented, if you are consistent, you will grow, you will improve, and you will succeed. Consistency means showing up every day, training even when you don't feel like it, repeating the basics again and again, trusting the process. Hindi lang itong isang araw na sipag, araw-araw na disiplina. In table tennis, the best players are not just talented. They are consistent. They train regularly, they stay focused, they never stop improving. So to all our young athletes, do not rely on talent. Build your habits, build your discipline, and build your consistency. Because in the long run, consistency will always win. And if you believe in this message, mga kapongers, tulungan niyo naman ako i-share itong para mas marami pa tayong maabot, mapalago ang table tennis sa Pilipinas. This is Coach Ting, and this is the day 20 of our daily message. See you again tomorrow from the world of table tennis. Bye!